In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram professional account back to a personal account on iPhone. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Next, tap Account Type, then choose Switch Account Type. You'll see an option labeled Switch to Personal Account. Tap it, then confirm by selecting Switch to Personal Account again. Your account will now be converted from a professional account to a personal account. One major advantage of a personal account is that you can make your Instagram profile private. To do this, return to the Settings menu, tap Account Privacy, and enable the Private Account option. This allows you to control who can view your posts, reels, stories, and profile content. Accounts. That's how to switch from a professional Instagram account to a personal account and unlock additional privacy controls and music options in Instagram. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more Instagram tutorials and social media tips.